In this video, I will share how to bleep out words on CapCut PC. First, import the video material. Play the video.
こっちのウドはもうそれに耐える元気ないんじゃない?
Cut out a short video. Click audio. Click sound effect. Search for beep in the search bar. CapCut provides many beep sounds. We add a second one to the time track. Play the video. The original video is still loud. Please lower the volume of the original video. Click audio in the upper right corner. Adjust the value of the volume parameter to the lowest value. Play the video. Make another one. Add a third beep sound. Play the video.